How to delete all of your messages on TikTok at once. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily delete all of your messages at once on TikTok. First off, go over to TikTok app. Make sure that you're logged into your account. And then you want to head over directly to your messages section down below. So just go ahead and tap on inbox at the bottom right. Then you'll find some messages here. Let's say if I want to delete this message, I don't have many inboxes messages, so I can just long press on it, tap on delete, and then tap on delete again to delete the chat. But if you have a lot of messages and you want to do it together, you can just go ahead and tap on profile at the bottom right, tap on three dots at the top right, and go to settings and privacy. Scroll down all the way until you find help center. And on Help Center, tap on Submit a Report. Now you can briefly explain that you want to delete all of your chats and then tap on the Submit button down below. They'll help you out with deleting your chats and you'll be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.